Good morning. I was hoping to get a little bit earlier of start today, but that didn't happen. We've got a exciting appointment this afternoon. Hi, chickens. Only one today. Stay. Daisy. Happy now? Cole is not happy about this situation. He's usually outside with us playing. But poor Daisy, she's going into her first heat cycle, and that's getting him all kind of excited. Cole is going to a friend's house for a couple weeks. He's a good troublemaker. You're a troublemaker. Trouble. Okay. Now I really have to get back to work. Looky here, looky here. Oh. She is not certain about this.
It's gonna be tight.
Okay. Hey friends, welcome back to the Homestead. So I'm here with Austin, my tractor guy. I'll let him tell you a little bit about what we've got here and why John Deere's the best.
So my name is Austin Gordon. I'm with Tractor and Equipment in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. So there's a plethora of reasons I could give you. The key points of what I tell people. Number one, it's a green tractor. Green tractors look cool. When you were a kid, you played with a green tractor as a toy, not an orange tractor. Number two, our warranty doubles pretty much everybody in the business. On this tractor in particular, all of our compact tractors come with a 10-year powertrain warranty. engine, hydrostatic system, and then a 2-year bumper to bumper. And that is with a tri-green warranty. Another reason is people, whenever they buy something, whether you go to Walmart, Target, it doesn't matter where you go, you want good service. John Deere is known for their service. Our service department is tremendous. They back up their products very well, especially our parts inventory. We do a really good job with parts inventory, from oil to engines, anything. We got manufacturers and facilities all around the world. Another key component of why John Deere is the best: when John Deere produces a tractor, a lawnmower, it don't matter what it is, they keep the consumer in mind. Ease of access to the engine compartments, changing the oil from the smallest thing to the most complex thing of operating anything. That includes implements, hooking up implements, taking off implements, hooking up rear implements. The ease of service is what John Deere is known for.
So we're really excited about our tractor. We've been dealing with our old Fords for way too long, and it's about time that we got into something into the modern age. So we appreciate you bringing this out.
Yeah, man.
This is the 52 horse, 40 horse at the PTO.
Yes,
What on average would it cost to run this per hour?
Average run per hour, about $7 to $8 an hour.
$7 to $8 an hour, and then take that times the life of the tractor, divide that by the cost of the tractor, and there you have your overall cost and depreciative value and things. So when I worked out the numbers, it cost us about half as much to run a brand new tractor as it did our old Fords.
Yeah, I know it.
So,
you're not the only person that says that.
So we're really excited about it. Thank you guys for coming out.
Yeah, man.
Thanks
definitely.
for taking care of it.
I appreciate the business.
And I will sing your praises as long as this thing keeps running.
There you go. It'll be for a while then.
Sounds good. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're really excited about our new tractor. This is going to be a game changer here on the property. Not only do we have the loader with the forks so we can move things around like the chicken house and the compost piles and the bins and everything pretty easily. We've also got a grapple that will be able to move brush, trees, and then we've got the loader. I think the first thing that we need to do is get some of the stuff cleared out of the fields because we haven't been able to bush hog in a while. So we'll get the bush hog loaded up on this guy and see if we can do a little bit of mowing out in the field, and then maybe hook up the grapple and play with that a little bit. I'll do a full review on the tractor once we've had a few hours of playing with it, getting used to it, tell you what I think about it overall and why I chose John Deere over the other things like Kubota and New Holland.